Hello everyone. On this occasion, I will discuss a question and quiz entitled Common Terms in Mathematical Education. This video was made to fulfill the assessment for English Mathematics course. Before going into the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Lulu Nirwana from Local A2. Alright, let's go straight to the discussion about this quiz. Question number 1. Adolescents face complex texts rich in academic language. Existing research has documented how teachers can design curriculum to scaffold students' comprehension of complex texts. But little work has documented the moments of adolescent encounters with complex texts, and how teachers can scaffold these encounters on the moment-to-moment basis to advance their students' comprehension. The word to scaffold on the sentence means. In this question, we are asked to find out the meaning of the word to scaffold. If we translate using Google Translate English-Indonesian, it will mean scaffolding. And the meaning of scaffolding is a temporary structure used to support people and materials in the construction or repair of buildings and other large buildings. Scaffolding is usually in the form of a modular system of metal pipes or tubes, although other materials can also be used. The scaffolding here is lacquered. In some Asian countries such as China and Indonesia, bamboo is still used as scaffold. However, in the context of mathematics education, scaffolding is assistance provided by teachers to students on a limited basis. So the right answer in this choice is to give a limited. Number 2. The challenge we see for mathematics education researchers is to collaborate with scholars from other disciplines, interdisciplinarity, and with non-researchers, transdisciplinarity in figuring out how the desired societal and educational goals can be shaped in mathematics education. The synonym of scholar is blah blah blah. In this problem, we will look for which equation is appropriate and in accordance with the word scholar. Scholar itself in short means a specialist in a particular branch of study, especially the humanities, a leading academy. Now we will check one by one the meaning of the words in this answer choice. The first is a kid, someone who is very academic or studious, an intellectual or arguably intelligent. This looks to match the scholar, but we're still going to investigate everything. Okay, then teachers refers as professional educator with the main task of educating, teaching, guiding, directing, training, assessing, and evaluating learners. This doesn't seem to sit well with scholar. Okay, next, lecturers. A person who is responsible for providing certain courses to students in accordance with their field of expertise. More or less then this is the same as teachers, so it is less suitable as well. And then student, someone who is studying in school or college, but the word is more suitable for use by someone at the elementary, middle, and final school level, so this word is also less appropriate. The last, professional. Professional is a person who has a professional job that is done with high ability and adheres to moral values that direct and underlie actions. It also does not correspond to scholar. Then, it is clear that the most suitable for the equation of the word scholar is adhere. Question number 3. 4 times parenthesis 8 plus 2 parenthesis equals 32 plus 12. In this equation is one of the properties of number theory in mathematics, namely, it is clear that the above statement is a mathematical operation called a distributive operation or elaboration, because when translated, 4 times 8 produces 32, and the sign of the operation is addition, and 4 times 2 is 12. Why not associative? Because associative is a grouping. The then there must be several numbers that the way of work will be grouped. Suppose 2 plus 3 plus 4 can be done by summing 2 and 3 first or 3 and 4 first, then the result will be the same. Why not commutative? Because commutative is the nature of exchange. Suppose 5 times 8 will equal the result of 8 times 5. Why not identity? Because the property of identity is an operation of a number whose result is the number itself. Like 8 plus 0 equals 8 and 9 times 1 equals 9. Then for symmetrical properties, it is usually used in flat shapes, matrices, and much more. However, it is rarely used in number operations. Okay, question number 4. The component of STEM, S-T-E-M, consists of. Okay, in this problem we are asked to find the abbreviation of STEM. Here it is clear that the S is science, the T is technology, the E is engineering, and for the M we choose mathematics because it is the most appropriate. Why not mathematician? Because mathematician is an expert in the field of mathematics, so it is not suitable when combined with other words. Okay, the last question. In this paper, based on the survey conducted before and during the pandemic, we have examined how scholars in the field of mathematics education view the future of mathematics education research. On the one hand, there are no major surprises about the areas we need to focus on in the future. The themes are not new. The word paper means. As we know, the paper is a plain, white sheet that is ready to be used for writing. However, in this context, paper has a broader meaning that is like a written report, or it could be like an article written by a specialist or expert. So the right answer is an academic article about a particular subject that is written by and for specialists. Alright, that's the discussion of the quiz on common terms in mathematical education. Thank you, hopefully it's useful, and see you soon. Bye bye.